Oh, hello chaps. Off we bloody well go again, but today I'm arriving at Thomas Nelson Community College for the classroom phase of the BRC, which is the Basic Riders course. This is the first time I have taught the classroom phase. Little bit of trepidation, but we'll see how this goes. Here you can see the BRC students hard at work. Now I'm driving home in the dark. Oh God, I hate driving home in the dark. I am not a dark kind of person to be riding, but my new Daymaker headlight does make a big difference. I'm quite pleased that I installed that. But I still don't like driving at night. It's 05:45 on Saturday morning. I am leaving home to be at the BRC range at Thomas Nelson Community College in Hampton, Virginia, so that we can start the class at 7 a.m. and there's quite a lot to do. We have to take the training motorcycles out of the container, make sure they're full of fuel, and arrange them on the riding range in the correct order and manner. Now I love riding at this time of day. The sun is barely up, the sky just looks beautiful, there's mist hovering on the ground, it's cool, I'm not sweating to death. Here I am, just got to the range. I'm going to ride across the range and park in between the two sea containers which hold the BRC training motorcycles. You see on my left, one of my colleagues was walking across to join me. Here you see the students riding. Well, they're not riding, these are still photographs. Now I'm leaving the range for lunch. It is about 90 degrees. It is hot, very, very hot. I'm going to ride home. We have about an hour and 20 minutes for lunch. I'm going to have a shower, I'm going to change my clothes, and I'm going to come back on my other motorcycle to teach the second part of the classroom section of the BRC. As you can see here, the other BRC 3-day class is still in session. We started at the same time. We were just a little quicker than they were, but they'll be finished very soon. They're on the last exercise. On the way back from lunch, on the left hand side you'll see there is a graveyard or a cemetery, and a police car and lots of motorcycles. Obviously there was a motorcycle funeral going on. There was already about 100 motorcycles parked at the cemetery, and they just kept coming and coming. As you can see, the police have blocked off the road so they can interfere with the motorcycles. I needed to turn left here, so I'll have to wait until that has all been done. slowly up here, show a little respect for everything that's going on, and I'm going to make my way back to Thomas Nelson Community College for the classroom section of the BRC, the second session. I get 2 or 3 hours of classroom with a celebration of knowledge at the end. There's 25 questions and they need to get 80%, which is not a very high mark, but that's what it is. As you can see, there is a 2-day BRC session still in progress. The temperature is around 90 degrees, so that's going to be brutal. But I saw the weather forecast for tomorrow and it could be 10 degrees higher than today, so we're going to be around 100, and that is going to be horrendous. So after classroom session, as I was leaving, the 2 days were still going on, so I stopped in the shade here just to watch for a few minutes and see what they were doing. As you can see, they're just coming into this parking area, so there's not really much going on, and I didn't want to interfere with the other 2 instructors, so I left very shortly after this.